As you travel around WA, you'll notice how different the Aboriginal art is from region to region. Up here in the Kimberley, the central focus is a spirit figure called the Wandjina. The artists behind the figures came from this community art centre just outside of Derby, and they're continuing the oldest continuous sacred painting movement in the world. If you love art, culture and a bit of a yarn and air conditioning, this is a must visit. It's much more than a gallery, it has a spirit, quite literally. What is the Wandjina?
It's a spirit that was given to our people long time ago. He's like a human being, but this here is his power, showing people the right way to live. He speaks through rain. This is what we have to teach our kids the right way, like don't swear, don't fight, don't steal.
So it's more than just the physical painting though, isn't it? It's the story behind the painting.
The story behind the painting. What is painting here, I'm painting now, it's a rain one, you know? His name is Ngarinyin.
So why did you start the art gallery?
The elders decided to bring it back, like teaching us what is wrong and right in these images. We're passing our knowledge to the kids, what we learned from the ancestors. My uncle decided we'll build a Wandjina to represent this community as a Wandjina. That's why we have this Wandjina art centre.
You can't see it from the ground, but if you
can
get
see
up,
it from on top.
it's a really cool idea.
Yeah.
And the cave?
We brought the cave back from where our ancestors were.
Yeah.
We brought it back in here just to show our kids what Wandjina, where they come from.
What this place does is both hugely professional and intensely personal. As a visitor, you get to not just look at the art, but connect with the people making it, who also run and staff this gallery. And that gives every artwork on these walls a whole new meaning. Isn't Alison just lovely? In fact, all the artists are just like that, and they've invited us back here during July. Now, in July, they hold something called the Mowanjum Festival. It's a really big deal. People come from all over the Kimberley, and it's the longest running indigenous cultural festival in Australia. So if you have the opportunity, definitely check that one out. But at any time during the year, they have exhibitions, they have workshops, and of course, there's always the time to sit down and chat with some of the artists just like Alison. Give yourself a bit of time though, she really does love a chat.